Oh, what's up, bro, Chacho? You can get something to drink in the fridge if you want.
Smoke my laser. Ben, you come here. Care to explain this?
Smoke my laser beam. Smoke my laser beam.
What does that mean?
Well, think about it. Scary fat hookers have wet ooze dreams.
What?
Well, you know, if we look here, whoso does drive the Aircat sleep in rocket fire?
Okay, alright. So run if you give a shit.
Now you're getting it. Well, Joel, let
Yeah?
me tell you a little story. Where once the sneaking sink has went up night zip, or take island sun alien through creature with that moon fog to lava gaze from basement.
Okay, alright. But his soft red troll is glowing.
You will leave like always. And tell Dog he went down on me.